Welcome. Virtual Student Advisor is a system focused on providing effective solutions to ease certain operations in academic departments of universities. With the exponential growth of students, the academic work has become more hectic. It involves lots of manual work, repetitive tasks and limited time frameworks to complete them. Few such identified processes are handling student questions, managing student staff meetings, and analyzing feedback from students. Before coming up with a solution to address these issues, a background search has been done on the existing products which addresses these issues. After analyzing the pros and cons of each system, it was concluded that a single system doesn't provide the solution to all the problems that we address. What is our solution? It's simple. Supports mobile and web platforms. Most importantly, it addresses all the issues that we target in the system. The system consists of main three components: natural language-based question answering system, appointment auto-scheduling system, and feedback analyzing system. Inquiry management module, aka question answering system. This module is deployed in web and mobile platforms. Using the mobile app, the students can ask the question in natural language. Then the system identifies the meaning of the question using natural language processing techniques. The system maintains a question repository of frequently asked questions. The meaning of the inquiry and the existing questions will be further matched by the system. The concept of cosine similarity has been used within. An answered question will be directed to the student advisors, who can answer them using the web application. With each new question, the system will increase its knowledge base. Appointment auto-scheduler. The students can ask for an appointment from a student advisor using the mobile app. Then the system will provide a specific time slot to meet the advisor. Beforehand, all the advisors required to maintain their free time slots with the system using the web application. And the final module is feedback analyzer. Without having the same feedback form for all the members of the staff, this module can produce dynamic forms for each staff member. The administrator can add various types of questions dynamically and produce the feedback form. This allows the user to collect more accurate feedback data, specifically. The system then summarizes the results and the appropriate users can view the reports as tables or graphs. Let's have a look at the functionality of the system. The users can log into the system using this interface. Depending on the user role, the system will display the appropriate menu items. All Questions Manager shows all the questions asked by the students. And users can filter them according to the time frame they require. Pending Questions Manager. All the unanswered questions will be listed in here. The users can answer them by clicking on a specific question. Then the student's mobile app will be notified. Frequently asked questions. This contains all the questions which the system know the answer to. The users can either change the answers or even add new questions. Once the pending questions are answered, it will be directed to here. If the questions are not valid further, then users can delete them as well. Let's have a look at the mobile implementation. The students can log into the system and view a general list of questions. For specific answers, they can inquire via the system. And if the system has the answer, it will display it. If not, the system notifies the user that it will be answered shortly. In the web application, as soon as the student advisor answers the question, a notification will be sent to the student. Appointment scheduler. The free time slots should be maintained by each student advisor. They can add, delete or edit the time slot provided. Once a user requests a time slot, the system will find the most appropriate time slot using several algorithms and mark them as appointed. In the mobile app, the student requests for an appointment with the urgency level. Once the appointment has been scheduled, it will be visible in the mobile app and an email will be sent to the student advisor. In case, the user can cancel the appointment as well. Feedback Analyzer. The user can provide a specific name, year, subject and semester, and then the headers and footers can be included further in the form. Then, depending on the type of the question, they can create the question. A category and weight can be assigned to the question, so that its feedback can be considered more important. Different question types such as plain text, checkbox, and drop-down can be used. Each line in the answer box represents an answer displayed along with the question. The generated template can be further edited through the interface provided. The user can edit, delete or even add new questions in between the existing questions. When creating a new form, the user can either select a blank template or go along with an existing template. Using the provided interface, the user can load specific templates to the pane. Then, further changes can be done to the template if required. Finally, the students can select the form and answer it accordingly. The user can view the final result of the survey. It shows the number of responses received for each question in the form of a table. A summarized version of the answer text can be viewed as well. And then, the user can generate a formal report based on the responses of the feedbacks. For a graphical understanding, the users can view the results as graphs. Different types of graphs can be generated using the system. By selecting different variables, user can view different types of reports. In this way, a student will be answering the questions in the feedback form. This is the system diagram. The system is developed in a web and mobile platform. Both of them will be using the general features of the core system via a RESTful web service developed using Java JAX REST API and REST Easy framework. The core system consists of two main modules to handle the natural language processing and algorithms to handle the scheduling. After all, what makes Virtual Student Advisor exceptional to other systems? Users can access the system easily. Instant responses and notifications. User administration. Ability to deploy with less configuration. Developed as cross-platform mobile app. Simple, convenient and efficient.